Welcome everyone to our beginner's English class.
Today, we'll explore this beautiful country.
But we have a very important story to tell you so that you can learn a lesson.
I got lost because of my playful nature, and that frightened me terribly.
Mom and Dad, after breakfast, shall we go sightseeing around the neighborhood? Oh, Tom, you're always just joking. We need to have breakfast first.
Okay, we'll go for a walk later and then to the square. Oh, and it's very beautiful there.
Tom, take this room key. My bag is full. I can't fit everything. Yes, I'll be careful.
All right, kids, let's go.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of your trip.
Wow, it's so sunny out here.
This city is so beautiful.
It is. Mom and Dad, look, that's the square.
All right, everyone, big smiles for the camera.
Perfect. Cheese.
Wonderful, blow a kiss now.
Anna, chase after me. Wait a minute. Look how happy they are.
Yes, they're adorable.
Mom and Dad, we want ice cream.
Ice cream? Okay, you two stay here.
Yes, we'll wait here.
We'll go buy some ice cream and be right back.
Anna, look! There's the playground. Let's go there. No, Tom. Mom and Dad told us to stay here. I'm not going anywhere. Then you go play alone.
Race you to the swings. Last one there is a rotten egg.
Anna, come here and play. It's so much fun. I'm not playing. I'm angry. Hi, can I play with you? Sure. Do you like playing games? Yes, I just bought a really cool game console. Do you want to play with me? Really? Really? Okay, let's go.
Thank you.
Okay, let's get back to the kids.
Anna, here's your ice cream.
Where did Tom go?
I told him already, but he still wants to go to the playground over there.
What? Going there alone and giving birth here?
It's too dangerous. We have to go find our son.
It's just around the corner. Race you there.
The boy isn't here? Where's Tom?
He's not hiding here either.
I think we should go look somewhere else. The boy isn't here.
Tom, where are you? This game is great. Yes, Tom, you're really good at it. I'm a pro. Let's play another round.
Uncle, did you see a boy who looks like the one in the picture walking by? A little boy with curly hair?
I'm sorry, I don't see the boy in the picture.
Have you seen the boy?
I haven't seen him yet. We have to keep searching.
Oh no, is it dark already?
Oh dear, we were having so much fun I didn't even notice.
I think it's time for me to go home. Tom, can you get home alone? It's fine, I can. I have a bad feeling. This road looks scary.
Hello, young man. Why are you walking alone? It's already dark.
I'm just taking a little walk. My house is just ahead.
Okay, be careful on your way home.
Yes. That man is really scary. Oh no, I've lost my room key.
Tom, where are you?
It's my fault for not going with him.
Don't worry, daughter. We'll find him.
Dad, Mom, Anna, I miss you all so much. Where are you all?
Oh, little boy, why are you still here? You're lost, aren't you?
Actually, I'm lost, and now I've lost my room key too. What should I do?
Calm down, boy. Do you remember the name of the hotel? I'll take you there to wait for your parents.
Really?
Of course. Now, let's go. Excuse me for interrupting, and I found a lost child, and the child showed me the way here. Could we wait until the parents arrive?
Yes, of course. You and the child can wait in the waiting room. If the boy's parents arrive, I'll let you know.
What's wrong, sir?
I can't find the boy.
Oh, what am I gonna do? Where could the boy be?
Do you think Tom might have gone back to the hotel? Let's go back there and check. If not, we'll call the police.
Why are you so sad, Tom?
I'm sorry for thinking badly of you and saying hurtful things to you, Grandpa.
It's all right, boy. You did the right thing. When lost in a strange place, we need to be vigilant. Well done.
Let me go ask the receptionist if they've seen the boy. Excuse me, have you seen a boy with curly hair here?
Yes, sir. The boy is in the waiting room.
Dad? Mom? Anna? Tom? Is that you, Tom? Finally, I've met you. Where have you been, Tom?
Where have you been, son? Everyone's been looking for you everywhere.
I'm sorry, Mom and Dad. I was so engrossed in playing that I lost track of time and made you worry.
Tom is a smart boy, but a little bit playful.
Thank you so much for helping the boy.
You're welcome. It's what I should do.
I missed you all so much.
We missed you too, Tom.
Today I learned a lesson. Don't get too caught up in playing and forget the time, and always ask permission before going out.
Yes, when traveling, you must always stay with your parents and sit still while your mother waits.
You mustn't wander around alone. It's very dangerous.
Be smart, stay safe, and enjoy your adventures. Goodbye, everyone! See you in the next video!